Jikile izinto manje. Bathi lithatha semnyango limbeke emsamo. Lithatha semsamo limphosa emnyango. Phethe mina manje.
Sothandweni ngibona ngehlanguka ngifuna wena ngibona wena wedwa sothandweni ngibona ngehlanguka ngifuna wena wedwa angifuna omunye umuntu angifuna omunye umuntu angifuna omunye umuntu Baby, it's in my time, baby, it's in my time, baby, it's in my time, Bona ngifuna wena, bona wena wedwa, ngisothandweni, bona ngehlanguka, ngifuna wena, ngifuna wena.
That's on me. I'm a hot nigga, check my degrees. You know my bitch in my teeth. I came through it like three.
Sothandweni ngibona ngehlanguka ngifuna wena ngibona wena wedwa sothandweni ngibona ngehlanguka ngifuna wena wedwa angifuna omunye umuntu angifuna omunye umuntu angifuna omunye umuntu
Nada, Carré.
C'est à calme, Nathalie.
Ça, fille.
C'est à calme.
Baby, it's in my time, baby.
Baby, it's in my time. Après, on va la choper. Et malade.
Angifuna omunye umuntu angifuna omunye umuntu angifuna omunye umuntu ngisemathandweni baby ngisemathandweni baby ngisemathandweni bona ngehlala funa wena bona wena wedwa ngisothandweni bona ngehlala funa wena wedwa angifuna omunye umuntu angifuna omunye umuntu angifuna omunye umuntu angifuna omunye umuntu
Hey YouTube fam, compliments of the new year. Hope you guys are good. Excuse for jumping into the vlog so late, but nobody's coming mad at me. Anyways, I'm jumping into this vlog because I want to give you guys a channel update, plans for 2024, what I plan on doing for this channel going forward. So firstly, I want to start off by saying thank you to everyone who's been subscribing, liking and engaging with my content. We definitely have been growing very well. So the update is for 2024 I plan on getting a new mic simply because I realized sound and that some of you guys watch my vlogs and my content on TV, babang laptop, babang on their phones. So hence I want to invest on getting a mic latest by March or April, somewhere there. Then I want to explain tabaya the food, lifestyle and travel. So going forward for 2024, I am going to be posting my food content on YouTube Shorts simply because most people enjoy watching the food part of my vlogs separately. So I've decided to make my YouTube Shorts the food department of this channel, and then travel and lifestyle will be in my YouTube vlogs. I hope that's going to balance very well. So that's the mini update I wanted to give you guys, so I'm confused when I post more often on YouTube Shorts. But I am going to push on being consistent on all departments, which is the lifestyle, the travel, and then separately will be the food YouTube Shorts. And then we have a mini brunch date, the girlfriend. So I am meeting up Lenaga 1:30. I'm seeing her in a few minutes because it's only 1 already. And then we're going out for brunch and we're talking about our mini planning for, I think it's April. So that's that. My main aim for this year is to be consistent on this channel.